Hello, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic. We are on week 35. Good sketch for some photos that I've got of my South Dakota vacation. I've already trimmed them down. So since my photos aren't true 4x6s, I've trimmed them down to 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then I do have my 3x3 photo. So I am going to be able to follow the sketch relatively closely to what we've got going on. I have this collection from Photoplay called Oh What a Beautiful Day. It was a scrap room kit. Lots of just fun outdoorsy bright colors, so I wanted to use it for this vacation trip. I think so far my plan is we could probably use this to mat that, or this side, probably the bowl. I think my general plan is to take this beautiful floral, and since it's so bold, use that as our background. And then I think I'm going to pop our photos with some white borders so they stand out. Speaking of, let's trim this down right now. So the papers I have, this one's called Always Blooming. I love this floral. The green side's not too shabby either. This one is called Be Happy. On the other side there are kites, which I like, but it's just not really something I need right now. What is the size of this paper? 11. All right, so I'll take an inch off. Perfecto. And we will mat our photos all in white. I don't think I have any plain 4x6 mats laying around. All right, matted in white, and then I matted the smaller one in this blue as well. So now we need a thicker mat, even yet, with that one. I'm debating if I should just try to cut down one of these. Because they are 6x6 squares, but I could easily I just want to make sure it pops enough and isn't too crazy. Or do we want like the orange? Yeah, maybe the orange. Okay. Awesome. So now I just need some embellishing, and a lovely title, which I have an idea. So let me go sift through all the things, kind of clean up my mess here, and we will get to embellishing. All right. I chose to do wide open spaces for my title. I was kind of thinking about that for a long time. We went on, like I said, this was the wildlife loop. So basically the bison drive in the Custer State Park. So I wanted to do wide open spaces. So instead of a circle element right here, I just tucked this flower sticker so it overlaps a little bit on the photo, but it tucks under this one so it kind of comes out. So now I just want to work on this, and I will have a pocket page with this one as well. I used these Bella Boulevard Puffy Aria alphabets. I love the Aria alphabets, but just like that, no more E's and no more P's. So I used up quite a bit of those right off the bat. But I want to go through these stickers and what I have of like the ephemera bits and kind of decorate over here on the side. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna need to journal too much on here because like I said, I will have a pocket page with this, which now that I've made enough pages, I do need to go start organizing this album before I get too carried away, so I know what I need and where to fill things, that kind of thing. So I don't think we'll need that. One of these would be kind of nice, just to put the date. Look at that. It doesn't need to be awkward. Kind of makes the big cluster that's over here in the sketch kind of broken up into 3 little clusters, which is okay. Little orange heart. I'll stick right there. And then I think we'll do like, I have some of these My Mind's Eye word stickers. What a wonderful world. Amazing. Fun. There, I used up some enamel dots. And there we have it. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you check out everything down below regarding Tuesdays or Dusty Attic and their Dusty Attic sketches, their Instagram, and also their shop. And make sure you check out everybody else who's playing along with 30 Days Around the World in 30 Days Out. Thank you again. We'll see you next time.